Here we are, the atmosphere just beginning to build to what surely will be an exciting game of football. Well, let's see how the teams line up today. They're lining up in a 3-4-3 formation. They'll want the wide forwards to make darting runs down the flanks. Well, let's get going with today's game. Osimhen in possession. Is this a goal? Great understanding between this team. Hakimi. Surely now. Headed forward. He loves to run with the ball. He's got the goal in his sight. Oh, it's a goal! And he's put them in front here after some great play. Will they extend their lead further? And he's given possession away in a dangerous place. It's Messi with the ball. Son driving forward. Is this the moment? They've squared the game with that goal. The manager will be pleased with getting back into this game. I hope they can grab another goal. It's a tight game. Can they create something with this attack? Osimhen with a great run. Aha, quality defending there. Bellingham with a shot. That strike was off target. Robertson. Oh, wayward pass. Normally he's so accurate with his distribution. Goal! Oh, but he got a bit lucky there. He won't mind, though. He finally found the back of the net with a hint of good luck off the woodwork. The player won't mind, though, as he grabs a goal for his team. And this really takes the pressure off the defence. The shot's on. He's almost celebrating. So unlucky. And this exciting game unfortunately comes to an end. Until next time, it's goodbye.